If you have a desire for connection, consider coming to the Zoom room so that you can zoom in on all of the faces of those who love you and are here to support you and are here to experience community in virtual ways, in ways of the future. So this is just a new realm. It's not that new anymore, is it? It's not that new anymore, but it is fascinating and it is amazing. And can we find wholeness even in this? Can we find wholeness even in this? This isn't the message today. It's not the sermon. This is a call to action and a call to support each other. You know, one of the things, this is complete tangent here. One of the things that I have noticed as a gift in my time in ministry is a gift for my own life, as far as my practice and my lifespan here on earth, is that when I support elders, those that have flexibility and can find the wholeness, even in this, in every moment of their lives, are the ones who have peace, the ones who have a deep sense of security, the ones who feel like God is alive in their lives. But when we take one thing, two things, moments, activities, doors are closed for in-house, we are online, this or that, whatever it is, you name it, when they take one thing or many things and they say, this is wrong, so there is not wholeness and I will not be happy, it is so challenging. It is so challenging. But when we can unleash the mind and breathe into the space where there's a possibility that wholeness is always present, period, end of story, then we begin looking through that lens and seeing the gifts that are there. And we emancipate ourselves from the confines of the mind that there is always something wrong. Because you know what? That mind is not new. That mind is there throughout our lifetimes, and it just finds different stories to identify with and attach to. So until we make the story just one story, this is the story of my emancipation, or this is the story of my bondage. Until we do that, we are not free. So we take everything in unity as a practice, and I hold everyone's heart in deep light and deep prayer in engaging this practice together. Amen.